Namaskar parents and students. Welcome to Marwadi University, a place where innovation meets education. I am Professor Rushika, Program Coordinator for Data Science Programs under Faculty of Computer Applications, Marwadi University, Rajkot. Are you a 12th pass out student with mathematics or a graduate ready to specialize further in your master degree? Then let me introduce you one of the most in-demand career option of this digital era called data science. Why data science? Data is everywhere in healthcare, finance, e-commerce, social media and even in your fitness tracker smartwatch. But data alone is not powerful. It is a programming science behind it that turns that information into insights. That's where data science comes into the picture. And Marwadi University is proud to offer BSc and MSc in data science. Let's start with BSc in data science, a 3 years undergraduate program specially designed for 12th pass out students. In this program, you will learn data science programming languages like Python, R, database management system, big data, distributed and cloud computing, mathematics and statistics for data science, artificial intelligence, machine learning, data mining, data analytics tools like Power BI, Tableau and Excel, and how to apply all of this into real world scenario through project and practical learning. If you are already a graduate and want to become a data expert, then our MSc in data science program is for you. It is 2 years postgraduate program focused on advanced applications of data science. It includes artificial intelligence, design and analysis of algorithm, deep learning, neural networks, big data tools and analytics, natural language processing, cloud-based data science subjects, semester-wise projects and last semester is industry project. In MSc Data Science, we also provide internship and placement support with top companies. The demand of data scientists is exploding globally. According to reports, our 3 lakhs plus roles available in India which requires data science, machine learning and data analytics skills. Demand of these job roles are having some names like data scientist, data analyst, machine learning engineer, AI specialist, business intelligence analyst, data engineer. And top companies like TCS, Infosys, Amazon, Google, Deloitte and Flipkart are hiring skilled data professionals at premium packages. At Marwadi University, you won't just learn from the textbook, but we also offer state-of-the-art data science labs, expert faculty, industry exposure, regular workshops, hackathons and industry talks. We also provide strong development of an industry-ready skill set. So, whether you are a fresh 12th pass out or a graduate ready to upskill yourself, then data science at Marwadi University is your gateway to a successful and tech-driven career. Admissions are open for both BSc and MSc in data science. Do visit Marwadi University, Rajkot for further information, book your admission and be the part of the next generation of data expert. Thank you for watching.